craving some chips and you have some green bananas laying around in the kitchen, try out making these banana chips and you are absolutely going to love the outcome. I'm going to start off by making some salsa. So over here I have 2 tomatoes, 1 onion and coriander. So I'm going to start off by chopping my tomatoes a little bit. To make my salsa, I'm going to be using a mini food processor over here. So I'm going to remove the lid and transfer my tomatoes in the processor. Chop my next tomato. All I'm doing is just making the tomato a little bit smaller so that can fit in my processor. Transfer to my processor. Chop my onion. And over here I have some coriander. I'm going to slice the coriander a little bit and transfer to my processor. Next, I'm going to place my lid on top and secure the lid. I'm going to pulse 6 times to get my tomatoes, onions and parsley chopped up a little bit. I love my salsa a little bit chunky. I'm going to add in a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt to season my salsa. My salsa is ready. Wow, this is how the salsa is looking. You can see it's not finely chopped, but it has some chunks of tomatoes, onions and coriander. The next step is to peel my green bananas. So I'm going to chop off the ends of the green banana and then I'm going to peel. I'm using a glove to help me not get banana sap on my hands. If you don't have the gloves, you can smear some cooking oil on the palms of your hands, and that will give you a very nice DIY so that you don't have banana sap on your hands. Make sure to get the green part so that your bananas don't turn black. Also, place the green bananas in water to avoid oxidation. Also, while peeling the green bananas, don't let the sap come in contact with your clothes because the sap doesn't come off and it leaves a very nasty stain. So I'm going to finish off peeling my green bananas and we are going to proceed to the next step. My last banana. I'm going to remove my gloves and my hands are super clean and free from sap. I'm going to discard my banana peels. And right now the bananas are all peeled and ready for the next step. So now I'm going to be chopping up my bananas into fries. So I'm going to cut in half and into quarter and then I'm going to slice in the middle just like that. Place aside and finish off cutting the rest. You can also cut the green bananas to your own preference. If you love thick fries, you can chop the fries thick. And if you love thin fries, you can also do that as well. As you're slicing the green bananas, also watch over your fingers because the bananas are very slippery because of the sap. Also, you have to be very quick because you don't want the green bananas to oxidize. So at this point, I'm going to place a frying pan over a medium flame and add cooking oil enough to fry the banana chips. After chopping up the green bananas into chips, you're going to wash around 2 times to get rid of the sap. I'm going to check if my oil is hot by inserting a skewer. Once you notice bubbling, the oil is ready for the banana chips. Using your skimmer, you're going to carefully drop in your banana chips in the cooking oil and fry for about 2 minutes. Flip and fry for another 2 minutes. Green banana fries are starchy, meaning that it's slower to digest, so you'll be fuller for longer. So immediately you add in your banana chips. Wait for around 1 minute so that you can use a skimmer to flip the bananas. If you use your skimmer immediately you added in the green banana chips, the chips are going to break down. So this is after 3 minutes. This is how the fries are looking, and you'll notice that the green bananas are starting to get a golden brown color. So that means the fries are almost cooked through. My green banana chips are ready. This is how the chips are looking like, and they are very crunchy. I'm going to transfer to a paper towel. Just look at that, very delicious. Scoop out my last banana chips and turn off the heat. Shake off the excess oil and transfer to the rest. Wow. Once the green banana chips are out of the cooking oil, you can choose to season your chips with maybe paprika, garlic powder, or even Cajun seasoning. It's going to be so perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this very delicious banana chips recipe.